In this video, I'm going to show you how to create printable designs in Playset. First, go to Designs, then Apparel and Print, then Planners. Here, we can see the different types of designs, planner designs, printable designs. So if we scroll down, you'll see that there's loads to choose from and different types. For this example, I'm going to show you yearly planner. So let's click the next page. So as we can't find it right now on the second one, I'm going to speed the video up so we can find it on the next pages. We have now found the yearly planner. So let's choose the yearly planner. In yearly planner, we can change the text. We also can see the different types of the months. And we can resize the size of the boxes, the designs. First, let's look at the bundles that's available. So we come up here where it says try them out and click. As you can see, there are also different types of planners like weekly planner, a today planner, and also budget and success. With these, we can bundle it in to create one planner set. So for this example, we're just going to change the colors and the font type. But before we do that, let me show you what you can do. So let's select this rectangle here. As you can see, you can resize it to large or shrink it. Unfortunately, you can't stretch it out or stretch it out horizontally. The good news is you can click and drag, move it around. But for this example, I'm going to leave it where it is. That's the same with the boxes. You can't stretch it out horizontally or vertically, but we can move it diagonally to resize it. So yes, let's change the font type. Let's start with the title. So here, we come here, down here to yearly. When you come here, we click this font type and we can choose any one of them here. I'm going to choose Montserrat. For the planner, I'm going to choose something a bit more different, more clear that we can see. So below planner, we click suggest, we click more fonts, and as we want to see something a bit more lighter, we look for light. Let's click light. Let's see. I'm going to select Poppins. So let's select Poppins. And let's now resize this. You can either make it larger or smaller. In this case, I'm going to make it larger. I'm going to click yearly and I'm going to make this smaller. I'm now going to fix it in place. Drag to move it in place. Now, I want to change the colors of each of these. So to do that, let's click. And let's change the box. Let's scroll down. We want to change the boxes. Let's click the rectangle here. Make sure you click where it says banner color. And click blue. I'm going to choose a more stronger type blue. Go for more darker. I'm also going to change the text to a blue color. Let's scroll back up. Let's click this box here, green box, and let's choose blue. I'm going to make this more lighter blue color. So where it says planner, we click this box here and we choose a lighter blue. Now, I want to change the background and the text. I'm going to make it a plain white color. To do so, let's start with the text. We click these little boxes. So where it says year, we click the box and we click white. We also do it with the months. We click the box here where it says January and we click the white. I'm going to speed the video up and I'm going to do it with the rest. So now we've completed all the text. I want to change the background. Come down here to where it says background color, select it and choose white. Now I want to change the color of these boxes. To do so, come here to the left where it says rectangle color, select it, and I'm going to choose blue. So we can go to recent to find the blue, and we can select the blue color here. In this case, I'm going to go for a more lighter one, so I'm going to choose this one. So now it's complete. So now we can save it. To save it, we go to Save To. We make a new folder, click New Folder, and we're going to call it Printable. Click Create Folder. If we have, I'm having conflicts because I have a similar folder name, so I'm going to click Cancel. So Save To. In my case, I'm just going to click Printables and then Save. We can now download it. To download, we go to Download. Now when it's finished downloaded, we can click again to download it onto our computer. So now it's completely downloaded. Just to let you know that with this, with the printables and replace it, you can make changes, but it's not exactly a graphic design software where you can do absolute changes. So in this example, as you can see, I was able to change the color and the text type. If I wanted to, I could resize it as well, but I currently left it. Again, if you wanted to, you can actually make this transparent. Just come over here to where it says background color and transparent. And we can actually put an image in the background. In my case, I'm just going to leave it as white. But that's all I got to say for now. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. I just want to add to that as well. If we scroll down below, we have other printables as well that matches our current one. So if we click any one of these, in this example, I'm going to click the week planner. And again, we can bundle it in together. You can change the colors if you click here. And we can change the background. I'm not going to go fully through it because we've already changed one, but I just want to show you that there's also other printables here that we can match together to create a complete planner. So we can have one that's for the year, one specific for the week, and we can have one that's for the days, each day that goes by. And the good news is you have additional ones we can add as the success, and we can, by bundle it in and creating a cover for it as well, we can completely create a full printable planner.